You are welcome to the Wealthy Continent channel, a channel dedicated to the great people and continent of Africa. Remember, where you find yourself tomorrow is a function of the decisions and actions you take today. On our series, You Are Responsible for Your Life, we're going to be looking at the topic, Voices of Experience and Values. You know, the way we have been designed by God is not to live our life alone. We are surrounded by people, by relationships. And it will always be like that. We were not created just to live our life on our own. Now, one of the assignments you have as an individual for you to grow and to develop is you need to now look at the people surrounding your life and start filtering. Who are the people who have experiences and who have values? How can I connect to these people? There are men and women that have contributed immensely into my life and into the life of others. We can't do it all by ourselves. We have to meet these people, whether we meet them through their materials or meet them in person. But we have people around us. The thing about life is, those people will never come to you straight away to say, I'm going to pass some information to you. I'm going to do this. Is the cry within you to do better, the cry within you to change, the choice to experience life, the choice within you that this cannot be going on like this, the choice for improvement, the choice for growth. There's a cry within you, and that cry is what leads you to these men and wonderful women, people of valuable experiences, and they have core values to pass on to you. If you can surround yourself with these great people, I can guarantee you something. Your life will just be moving from one level of progress to another. You will live a good life. You will live a quality life. You will thank God that you came to this earth, all because you connected to these people. And these people are very objective. They are generous with information. They are sincere. They are honest. They are people of vision. There are people who will tell you the way it is. If you can find these people, I strongly suggest you connect with them. There are 5 things I want you to know that will come into your life when you connect with these individuals. Some of them are men, some of them are women. They are all around us, but they won't just appear to you until you are ready. You are the one that will attract them into your life by your readiness, by your cry. Your heart cry inside that things can be better. When you meet these people, the number one thing is they will supply you with relevant information for your family, for your business, for your endeavor, for your life. They will tell you things that will improve your life straight away. They will share with you because they are generous. They understand that, this information can be used by so many people. They are principled people. So, and with principles, no matter how many people utilize principles, it can't diminish its potentials or potency. It's going to work. So they will share with you things that will improve your family, your life, your business, your career. The second thing they will share with you are core values. The reason why there are people of value is because they live their life based on values, convictions, principles. They will share with you, these things have helped me. I've made this decision because of this. I've been like this for years. These are the things and these are the reasons why I do what I do. They will share with you their values and they will encourage you to adopt some of them, to think about it. They will encourage those values to be yours as well, because it has served, those values have served them well. The number 3 thing they will do is they will share their experiences of life with you. Some people don't share their difficulty. They don't share their disappointment. They don't share with you when it went wrong and what they did. But they will level with you and share their experiences with you that, I was once in this situation before, this is what I did. I've seen somebody, going through this situation, this is what we did. They will level up with you to show you that whatever it is that you are going through, somebody else has gone through it. They've gone through it. They will tell you things that sometimes you will say, no, it didn't happen to them, but it did happen to them. The number 4 thing that you will get from them is their individuality. They have their own mind. They will tell you the way it is out of love. They will share with you. They will observe you from far and near. And they will share some things with you out of love. And they will encourage you in whatever situation, circumstances you find yourself. Have your own mind. They will tell you not to be a sycophant. They will tell you be objective and say it the way it is. The number 5 thing is they are straight talkers. They see something that is not right. They know how to pass on information with discretion. They will say it because they are not afraid of you. They don't fear you. The reason they've allowed you to come closer is they want to pass some information to you. Now, you may tell me, I don't have this kind of people around me. All you have to do is look intelligently. Observe. You will see people around you. And in the case where you say you don't have anybody around you, look for materials of people like this. It will be as if they are talking to you. It will be as if they are in the same room with you. They will be sharing things with you through their resource materials as well. For those who will meet this kind of people in person, I want you to know that you can't just enter their life. They don't allow anybody to just enter their life like that. They're going to observe you. They will observe 2 things. Are you somebody that will take a lot of their time? Are you a difficult person to work with? If you are a difficult person, they won't kick you out, but they would give you some space and deal with you from afar because they know that you are not ready yet. But they will pass some information and see how and what you do about those information. But if they know that you are ready, they are going to open their heart to you and open their life to you. I want you to know that these are incredible relationships that will pass valuable experiences to you, core values, and will change your life. You will start seeing changes in your life. I want you to know that you are not meant to live this world all alone by yourself. Find these great men and great women. Cultivate a relationship with them, and you will see something about your life. It will always be progressive in nature. If you have been getting value from our videos, we'd like you to consider subscribing to our channel, clicking on that like button, and sharing with others. Remember, you are a difference maker, and being different is normal. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.